In this video, I'll be showing you how to instantly fix PlayStation servers down. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, you might be trying to play any sort of game on your PlayStation 5 or your PS5 Pro, and you might find that it's just not working at all. Like, you can't update any games. It's not letting you go, into any games online or message your friends, anything like that. Even if you try and go into the game base, you're not able to do anything in there either. So basically, what's happening right now is the PlayStation Network servers are actually completely down for basically everyone. It's working for very few people right now when they're slowly rolling out, the server fix and everything. However, the best thing to do is going over to your browser of choice. So we're going to go over to Google Chrome right now. And then once you're here, all you want to do is type in down detector. Once you type in down detector, all you want to do is go over to the main website, and then you just want to look for PlayStation Network. As you can see, it shows, there's a vast majority of people are having issues right now. There's no issues, and then all of a sudden there's a bunch of issues. But as you can see, it's currently declining, so there's less and less issues now. So probably in the next few hours, PlayStation Network should be back up, and then you'll be good to go to play again. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. And obviously, once it's back up, if it's still not working, just make sure that you're up to date with your system and everything, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through.